We out here again, man. Melvin Finn Park. We done caught a few fish. I got it on camera. Gonna upload them a little later. She almost had another one. Almost had another. She got to put another worm on there. She probably done fed the worms 13 times a day. Hey, I didn't say nothing. I didn't say nothing. We on the bridge this time. Sometimes we go on the front. We're on the bridge. Which time? What this look like to y'all? Do y'all think y'all can catch a little something out here? What that look like? Over there, what should I cast that over there? Y'all let me know. What you got? You finna get you one? Let's look at this bobber. Oh, there you go. I see it now. She says she finna get her one, y'all. We finna see. Uh-oh. She getting bites. I hope y'all can see it. There we go. I'll zoom in for you. There you go. She can't get it. Uh-oh.
Hold on, here you go. Here you go.
Can she get it? Can she get it?
Watch me.
Can she get it? I lost the bobber. Oh, there you go. She's still getting bites. She's still getting bites. There you go again. I'm a bad cameraman. We're gonna do some editing though. Oh shoot. So what happened? You lost it? I'm trying to see how to unzoom. Oh, there we go. There we go, y'all. She said she was gonna get her one.
I was.
Huh?
I lied.
Say it to the camera.
I lied. Not right now.
She said she was gonna get her one.
I think they ate my worm. Oh, I got a piece.
She got a little piece of worm. She's gonna have to reworm that though, I think. That's what y'all think. She need to reworm that and throw it back out there.
What y'all think? I don't think so. It's a little piece of
Look what she trying to catch a fish with. Now if she catch one, y'all see it. Now watch her throw it back out there. Now she catch one, y'all gonna see that's all you need to catch you a little panfish. Okay?
I might not catch it.
We gotta make sure we don't remember that tripod next time. So I'm a bad cameraman. I gotta get focused. That's what editing is for, though. We can edit it.
They will take the worm.
What y'all gonna think? They're gonna take the worm or get the fish? Who's gonna win?
The fish is gonna win. They always win out here.
Who's gonna win, y'all?
Yeah, I think they just took the worm.
Uh-oh, she's jerking too fast. Tell her to slow down. So just hold it. When that jerking starts, just hold it. Just tighten the rod.
I think they took the worm. Then the worm gone, guys.
Oh, she got another bite. That worm ain't gone. They biting. They hitting it down there. She just can't reel it in, y'all.
I can't get it together.
Not this time.
Not this time, but I will.
We'll be back when she do.